World War I began in 1914 after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary. But the real causes ran deeper. Rival alliances, rising nationalism, imperial competition, and an arms race that had pushed Europe to the edge. What started as a regional conflict quickly became a global war, drawing in more than 30 nations. Soldiers fought from muddy trenches stretching across Europe, facing machine guns, artillery barrages, poison gas, and disease. New technologies made killing faster and deadlier than ever before. By 1918, exhausted armies and collapsing empires brought the fighting to an end. The war claimed over 16 million lives and reshaped borders across Europe and the Middle East. The Treaty of Versailles ended the conflict, but left deep wounds behind, setting the stage for an even greater war to come.